Hannah Wamboi started poultry keeping in 2013 in a single room using a jickle to brood her chicks. What started small has grown to 1,050 chicken, giving her 32 trays of eggs every day.
At least 32, sometimes 30, 31, 32 every day. Huwa najiperekea huko Githunguri, naperekea wholesalers. At least every day huwa napereka 30 trays per day. So each and every day niko na mwenye naperekea. Then on Saturday, Sunday kuna mwingine mwenye anachukua kutoka Ruiru. So each and every day hakuna mayai yenye inabaki hapa.
Juggling her printing job and poultry keeping, she has realized that commitment is key once you decide to go for this business.
Usitegemea ati mfanyikazi. Sometimes you should be there, especially when this, usually buy one day old chick. So lazima uangalie every morning, wanga naingia hapa naangalia mambo inaendaje. You should see that kadi drinkers, they are clean, maji yenye inawekwa hivyo. So ukienda mahali unaenda uache kila kitu iko sawa.
For all who would consider to venture into this business, according to Hannah, one has to do proper research on the best breeds, housing and feeds. Nonetheless, she says this is a business that anyone can do and urges women to try it to gain financial freedom.
Nitawaambia wasitegemee wanaume. Wasiwategemee. At least they should do something, at least ndio wasaidiane.
Poultry farming in Kenya is playing an important role in the total economy and fulfilling the nutrition demand in Kenya. Marete, GBS News.